Anna, we're here.
Wow, this place is so big.
Yes, it's a buffet restaurant.
What is a buffet?
A buffet has many kinds of food.
You take food yourself?
Yes, that's right.
Tom, what do I do first?
First, take a plate.
Okay, I have my plate now.
Good. Now walk around and look.
There's so much food here.
Yes, take what you like.
Tom, what is that area called?
That is a section.
A section?
Yes, each section has different food.
Oh, there's a seafood section.
And there's a dessert section too.
Tom, what is this dish?
That is roasted chicken.
It smells so good.
Try it. You'll like it.
How do you eat this?
Just use the tongs, like this.
What are these called?
Those are tongs.
Tongs. I see.
Use tongs to pick up food.
Okay, I'll use the tongs.
Good. Very good, Anna.
Tom, I love this section.
Which section?
The salad section. So fresh.
There are many vegetables here.
Can I take everything?
Of course. That's the buffet rule.
Tom, my plate is almost empty.
You can go back and refill.
Refill.
Yes, take more food. Go again.
Oh, I can refill many times?
Yes, as many times as you want. Let's sit here by the window.
Great view. I like this table.
How's the chicken?
It's delicious. So tender.
Tender means soft and easy to chew.
Tender. Yes, very tender. Tom, is this meat tender too?
Try it and tell me.
Yes, it's very tender.
Good. Tender is an important food word.
Tender, tender, tender. I remember now.
Perfect, Anna. Anna, what's your favorite section?
I love the dessert section.
What did you take?
Chocolate cake and fruit. So good.
I like the soup section.
Soup? In a buffet?
Yes, a good buffet has variety.
What does variety mean?
Variety means many different choices.
Oh, there's a lot of variety here.
Yes, soup, meat, salad, dessert.
I love variety. Oh no, Tom, I spilled my drink.
It's okay. Don't worry.
I'm so embarrassed.
Here, use this napkin.
Thank you. You're very kind.
Accidents happen. No problem at all.
Tom, I'm going to refill again.
Which section this time?
The seafood section. I want shrimp.
Good choice. Bring some for me too.
Of course. I'll be right back.
Thank you, Anna.
Tom, how much is this buffet?
It's about 200,000 dong.
That's very good value.
Yes, you pay once and eat freely.
I love the buffet concept.
Me too. Eat as much as you like.
Tom, I think I'm full now.
Full means you cannot eat more.
Yes, I'm very full.
Did you enjoy the food?
Yes, everything was delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. Anna, say this. I'm full.
I'm full.
Good. And if you want more,
I'll refill. Haha.
you remember all the words today?
Because you taught me well, Tom. Tom, can we go one more time?
For what?
Dessert, just one more piece of cake.
I thought you were full.
I'm full, but not dessert full.
Okay, let's go together. Anna, which dish was your favorite today?
The shrimp, so fresh and tender.
Mine was the mushroom soup.
Was it good?
It was warm and very comforting.
Comforting. I like that word. What does comforting mean exactly?
Comforting means it makes you feel good.
Like warm soup on a cold day?
Exactly. Very good example, Anna.
This whole meal was comforting.
I agree. Today was a good day.
Tom, thank you for today.
Did you learn new words?
Yes, buffet, section, tongs, refill, variety, tender, comforting.
Excellent. You learned so much today.
Food is a great way to learn English.
And a great way to enjoy life.